Good morning, everyone. My name is Judge Tamika West Bernard. I will be presiding over the criminal preliminary hearing calendar for this morning. When I call the calendar, please make any announcements. The first case we have on the calendar is the state of Georgia versus Teronia K. Bell.
Your Honor, that case has been received. CR, excuse me.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the response.
That case has been CR'd.
Okay. And then what does that mean? I'm sorry, that's new for me.
No, you're fine. It has a CR number. We received it in our office. It has a case number.
Okay.
Close it out of magistrate court.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Position 2, I have the state of Georgia versus Tunisia Chain Blyther.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that there was a motion for continuance signed by her attorney. It was continued to March 7, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. It was a continuance order.
March 7th?
Yes, Your Honor, March 7th at 8:30 a.m.
And this is your understanding that's still with magistrate court?
The judge that I've seen sign an order is Judge Parker.
Okay, so yeah, he's with magistrate. Ms. Mary, can you check to see if we have that on the calendar for March 7th?
And just so that the court is aware, Your Honor, there is a felony warrant attached. So I'm not sure if the court is inclined to continue to the felony calendar or keep it on the misdemeanor calendar, but
is it the same incident date?
That's what I was about to say. Is it the same incident date?
it is the same incident date. Warrant 2023 WA 02107 is the felony warrant.
No, we're gonna move it.
Okay, can you give me the warrant number again? I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor, that's 2023 WA 02107.
So yeah, we would likely need to move that to a felony calendar. Is that correct? That's correct, Ms. Mary?
That's correct. So Attorney Ponder, I'm gonna take it off of the misdemeanor calendar and put it on a felony. Did we lose her?
I did, yeah, and Ms. Mary, you'll have a date for me at the conclusion of the calendar?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Position 4, we have the state of Georgia versus Carr C. Bradley.
Your Honor, that case has been received in our office and has a CR number. It has been accused.
Position 5, state of Georgia versus Jonathan Apford Bray II.
That case has been accused, Your Honor.
Position 6, state of Georgia versus Malik Burnett.
Your Honor, that case has been accused, and it's my understanding he's actually on an upcoming calendar in state court jail calendar. He's on Judge Spencer's jail calendar on March 6th.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Position 8, state of Georgia versus Nicholas Deshaun Kaysen.
Your Honor, that case has been received and accused in our office, and he's on Judge Spencer's jail calendar. Excuse me.
Position 9, state of Georgia versus Alexis Davia.
Your Honor, that case has been received and accused, has a CR number.
Position 11, state of Georgia versus Abdul Jabbar Rahim Favors.
Same announcement, Your Honor. This case has been received and accused.
Position 12, state of Georgia versus Raul Ernestino Flores.
Yeah, this case has been received, has been accused in our office.
Position 18, State of Georgia versus Amani Gibson.
Your Honor, this case has been received and accused in our office.
Position 20, State of Georgia versus Lakeisha Kenyatta Griggs.
Same announcement, Your Honor. This case has been received and accused in our office.
Position 22, State of Georgia versus Jimmy Hood.
Your Honor, this case has been received and accused in our office.
Position 23, State of Georgia versus Robert Hopkins.
This case has been received and accused in our office.
Position 25, State of Georgia versus Charlie Chris Howard III.
Your Honor, Mr. Howard's case, I actually received this case and I filed an administrative dismissal. And I'm not sure who you would like for me to send that to, Your Honor, if I need to send it to anyone in your office.
Miss Mary, who would you need to send that to? When did you file the dismissal?
Yesterday.
Okay.
She needs to send it to us.
And can you send it to Miss Mary?
Yes, Your Honor, I'll make sure I send that over via email.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name's Sarah Yeager. I'm with Lister Holton Dennis. Ms. Ponder, could you send a copy of that to me as well?
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Position 26, State of Georgia versus Anthony Jamel Jones.
Your Honor, that case has been received and it has been accused.
Position 27, State of Georgia versus Dedrick Antoine Jones.
Your Honor, this case has been received in our office.
Position 28, State of Georgia versus Davis Lamar Lee.
Your Honor, this case has been received and accused in our office.
Position 29, the State of Georgia versus George Anthony Lee.
Your Honor, this case has been has been received and accused in our office.
Position 31, State of Georgia versus Cedric DeJuan Manning.
Your Honor, the state will be requesting a felony reset. There's a felony on the warrant, face of the warrant.
I'm sorry, Attorney Ponder, I didn't hear that.
The state will be requesting a felony reset. The face of the warrant is a felony.
Okay. So should I go ahead and just put it on the felony calendar?
Yes.
Okay.
Position 32, the State of Georgia versus Stephanie Ann Ogans.
Your Honor, this case has been received and accused in our office on the jail calendar for March the 1st.
Position 34, the State of Georgia versus Kenneth Cushy Pack.
Your Honor, that case has been received and accused.
Position 35, the State of Georgia versus Lee Peters.
That case has been received and accused, Your Honor.
Position 36, State of Georgia versus Keelan Isaiah Plowden.
Same announcement. That case has been received and accused.
Position 40, State of Georgia versus Michael LaRosa Randall.
That case has been received and accused in our office.
Position 44, the State of Georgia versus Kiaris Nicole Reynolds.
I can just have one moment, Your Honor.
Okay.
I believe that's the same announcement as position number 3 on the calendar. Warrant 2023 WA-02101. I understand that is a felony warrant. Just want to make sure.
And if you can give me that warrant number again, so Miss Mary, I don't think she had a chance to get it.
Yes, Your Honor. That warrant number is 2023 WA-02101.
So both, 02100 and 02101, same incident date, correct?
That is correct. January the 20th, 2023.
Okay, I'm gonna put them both on a felony calendar, Judge.
Okay. Thank you. Position 46, State of Georgia versus Justin Richardson.
That case has been received and accused, Your Honor.
Position 47, State of Georgia versus Avery Clyde Smith.
Your Honor, that case has been received and accused in our office.
Position 48, State of Georgia versus Monica Smith.
Your Honor, that case has been received and accused.
Position 49, State of Georgia versus Delilah C. Williams.
Your Honor, that case has been received in our office and accused.
Position 51, State of Georgia versus Jerry Williams.
Your Honor, the state is requesting a felony reset. It's my understanding still open in magistrate court for interference with government property. Mr. Jerry Williams. And I have that case number when the court is ready. I'm sorry, the warrant number.
Okay.
The warrant number is 2023 CW 50150. And it arises out of the same incident as the misdemeanor obstruction charge.
Okay. And Ms. Mary, they're both on the calendar. The two charges.
Okay.
So it's the 2023 CW 50150 and 2023 WA 01555. That's the obstruction charge.
Okay.
The last case on the calendar, State of Georgia versus Terrell Jamar Williams.
Your Honor, that case has been received and accused in our office.
Okay, that will conclude the calling of the calendar this morning. Is there anyone present that did not hear their name called or their client's name called? Okay, at this time, any witnesses can be dismissed. If no one has any questions, that will conclude the preliminary hearing calendar for this morning.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Your Honor, do we have a date for those recess yet for the felony calendar?
I'm sure if you hold on, see, I can see if Ms. Mary can get you a reset date.
Thank you.
Thank you.